Hi, my name is Bob Noren. I'm a senior strategist with Anexinet. The short video will provide you with a brief summary of price transparency in healthcare, what some of the common challenges and benefits are, and key steps to help ensure your success with delivering price transparency. Why the need for transparency? First is the government mandate. The current administration and the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services are mandating pricing transparency in healthcare. This includes the January 1st implementation of hospitals posting price information and the June 24th executive order for improving price and quality transparency. Second is a move to patient consumerism. Between increasing premiums and deductibles, patients' financial responsibility for healthcare is growing. So is the active role they're taking to choose their own healthcare options. Patients are now conducting extensive research in advance of choosing care. 84% of patients use online reviews to evaluate healthcare providers, while 77% of patients use online reviews as their first step in finding a new doctor. And nearly half of the respondents would go out of network for a doctor that has more favorable reviews or better outcomes. Challenges of healthcare price transparency. First is the definition of price and cost. Many factors go into the cost and eventual price of an episode of care, including location, availability of services, insurance plans, patient deductibles, network coverage, and copay information. Secondly, the availability of data. For the data to be accurate on each episode of care, the provider needs to gather not only internal information on costs, but also all relevant external costs. Because of non-disclosures, gag orders, and price negotiations, gathering true costs can be challenging on some items. The third challenge is the ability to combine accurate price information with quality and outcome information. For healthcare to be truly shoppable, the consumer needs to be able to rank all relevant data in making decisions, just as they would on any other shoppable marketplace. Achieving meaningful, accurate price transparency within the healthcare services market will ultimately benefit the provider and the patient. Providers will benefit from higher patient satisfaction rates and better care efficiencies as they strive to provide a quality service, and also provide realistic expectations about pricing prior to delivering the service. Providers may benefit financially with better collections and potentially reduced write-offs by creating trust and accurate expectations in advance for the patient. Patients armed with accurate prices and spend information will improve expectations, enable patient consumerism, and increase trust. The two screens shown on the side are examples of accurate pricing, taking into account the patient's actual plan and deductibles, along with the current year-to-date spend information for their individual plan. Providers should develop a digital strategy for price transparency. The strategy should focus on the current assessment of transparency readiness in the organization, as well as a roadmap for short, mid, and long-term planning, along with procedures to track and measure success and continual improvement. The strategy should identify technologies and tools that make the provider more efficient, secure, and provide greater availability of data. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are methods that have been shown to reduce errors and costs. Identify, analyze, and evaluate your data in order to deliver personalized, real-time, secure information and transparency as a unique position for acquiring and servicing patients and to build trust and loyalty. This concludes our video, and I want to thank you for watching. If your organization is getting started or trying to figure out how to overcome the challenges and opportunities mentioned in this video, Anexinet's Healthcare Digital Solution Strategy Kickstart ensures success by accommodating these requirements with a comprehensive implementation approach. Working closely with your organization, we rapidly bring to life a secure, next-generational digital engagement that leverages the latest technologies to provide users the information and interactions they need, the moment they need them.